Hello and welcome to another video. I am 70% complete, so let's get back into it. In my last one, we got to Robo City, and then did a few of the achievements here, but that was about it. Today, or right now rather, same day, I want to do a few more achievements and maybe complete the grocery store. But you never know. One of the achievements I want to do is it involves these things, these little star rings. I want to finish this achievement because what this achievement wants you to do is go through all 30 of them. So basically we're just gonna go around, see if we can find any more, and fly through them. Hopefully, at least. There are some that will be a little challenging, like that one. It wants you to fly from there to about here-ish. But otherwise, they're gonna be A-okay. I missed one. I literally missed. Okay. It's okay. Grab it. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and do this one. So I need to get on top of this building. In my last video, I actually unlocked the flight mechanic. Or not flight mechanic. Rather, the hover mechanic. So, wall jumping can get you more height. Yes. Another thing we found out is, you can, oh, right, shoot. I even saw the sign saying hovering can break cracked platforms. Okay, so one thing we're gonna try and do in this video is I'm gonna try and complete more of the, like, around the world quests. Cause, like, there's more around the world quests than there are normal quests, actually. So I want to see if I can complete some of those. I'm just gonna climb to the top of this building. So, one thing I found out last time is crouch jumping actually gives you, like, the tiniest boost in the world, but it does give you a boost. So, I need to start crouch jumping and then double jumping. Ooh, see? Yeah, like, it wants me to hover from either down there or here to get through those rings. I could. Just real quick. It's quite easy to get back up here. I'm just afraid I'm gonna fail, because Do I start from there or do I start from down here? Let's see. Definitely up there. Yeah. Oh, there's also one this way where I'm assuming I start from up there again. Whoa, whoa. Okay, yeah. So I'm definitely gonna try and like finish some of these outside achievements or progress in the outside achievements. I'll start with this side. 1. Nope, I missed 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Oh, cool. I can unlock the supermarket. Okay. What the? Okay, bro. Okay. What's that say? Hold the jump button for higher double jumps. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I guess so. Nope. Okay. Bro. Okay. We're moving on. I'll do that achievement some other time, because this I don't think is mandatory. I'm just gonna go do, like, the grocery store stuff. Ow. Okay. Grab a shopping cart. We're hiring. Here we go. Okay. 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 So I just have to bring the shopping carts. 1x, x1, and x1. Can't actually see the order though. Do you just want a shopping cart? So I can bring you a shopping cart. Oh my god. No, you don't. Missing items. What items do you want me to get? Air? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go until I find something I can interact with. I did talk to the manager. He gave me an order. It's just air, though. Hi again. Do you need a reminder what your task is? Yes. Find the specific items and place them in the lease shop in a lease shopping cart. Onto the shopping cart by. Put it back. There's no thing on the screen. Sorry, but. Oh, maybe it wants this and the carrot that I can pick up. Really? We're gonna be hard today. Get in that sharpening cart. Get in that shopping cart. Oh, get in that shopping. There we go. Did I do it? New order. And I can't even see the order again. I'm assuming it has something to do with the fruits and vegetables. I can pick up the watermelons and I can pick up the carrots, so. I'm guessing that's what the new order is. Alright, now you're gonna head this way. How many orders are there? I'm hoping 3 at minimum. Nope, it wants one of one. One of this kind, one of the other kind. No? Do you want watermelons? I think I wanted 2 watermelons. No, I think it wants a cabbage. One watermelon, 1 cabbage. No? It's not 2 watermelons, right? Maybe it wants 1 small watermelon and then 1 big watermelon. Cause it didn't go that time. It sucks that I can't see what it wants me to get, you know? Maybe it wants a fish. Or a microwave dinner. Or an ice cream. Bet it wants ice cream. There we go. It wanted an ice cream. Okay, new order. Let's see. Grab the shopping cart. I bet it wants the fish. And then the steak. Wait a minute. Ice cream? I feel like I'm missing something here. Oh my god. Guys, shopping carts are not this hard to use in real life. Oh my god. Get in there. New order. It wants one thing. The one thing we haven't used this entire time. I bet that's what it wants. The one thing we haven't used this entire time is nowhere in the store, so. Can we pick up the tires? No, so I can't want that. Can we pick up any of the cereal? No. Okay. So it wants some kind of fruit or vegetable. Or produce. No, that's not it. Okay. Any type of vegetable. Nope, not you. Maybe a carrot? You want the carrot? No? No, I thought we found a cheat code for moving it. Just hop in. She wants a frozen food. No? Maybe a steak? No. So she must want an ice cream. It's the last thing we haven't put into the shopping cart. Oh, yeah. Oh, I wanted to come in. Another new order? Bro, I still can't see them. Is it gonna do this for every shopping cart in the entire place? No, not a watermelon. Is it gonna do this for all of the shopping carts? Because there's 3 more. It wants 2 items. Not the cabbage, not the watermelon. Try the carrot. Oh my lord, this is gonna be a boring video. No, not the carrot. Okay. So it's 2 frozen foods. That's one of them. And then I'm assuming it's going to be the meat. Pure carnivore right here. It's the ice cream. At least this means I have everything except for an ice cream in there and a card, but whatever. What? So you don't want the ice cream, you don't want the... I'm so confused. You didn't want the carrot. The carrot. The... This game, bro. There we go. The carrot despawned. Okay. Don't want the watermelon. You don't want the meat. You don't want the ice cream. You do want the... Yes, oh my god, this game. You do want the fish. Do you want 2 fishies? I don't think you can do that. I'll go grab another fish just to humor you. Because I've tried every other item in the entire store. I'm so confused. Done every item in the entire store. Missing items. Interesting. Cabbage. Not it. Tried the meat, tried the ice cream, tried the fish, just tried the carrot, tried the watermelon. I'm seeing something here. The item I need isn't real. I'm starting to see a pattern. Not wrong item. I am so fed up with this game right now. Do you want like a piece of toilet paper? Oh my god, you want a singular tire in the entire store that I can actually pick up, don't you? Let me guess, it wants the single tire in the entire... All orders completed! That's how I'm ending. Well, I don't know how long it's been. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Serve it. Oh, nice! I got the microwave dinner. Okay. I need to check something. There's another achievement. Hoarder's Hideout. Find this ticket in a hoarder's hidden spot. A hoarder's hidden spot. Where would a hoarder hoard their items? A hoarder's hidden spot. Found it. A hoarder's hidden spot. Let's return all these items. JK. Okay. Well, let's go. How long have I been recording for? It doesn't really matter. Oh, cool. Get food for it. Okay. Let's see. I'm at 6 out of the 30 of the star rings. So, do I want to go finish that achievement or do I want to move on to a different achievement? I might move on to a different achievement. Honestly, depends. Oh my god. No, I could have made that. Ooh, look at that parkour. So we can get some from just coming over here and getting up onto this. Why can't I double jump on that? Up. So do I want to do this one, that one, or this one? Because I still need those three. Hard choice, hard choice, hard choice. Do I want to do this one? Not really. This one? Maybe. This one, though. This one puts me out the closest to this building, so. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then we just hit the boosting button. Ugh, yeah, there we go. I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. I think I'm ready for this one. Okay, now try and boost over to this little tree right here. Perfect. Oh my god. Perfect. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No, I already used my hover. There we go. Okay. Shoot, I missed. I did too big of a flare. Let me up. Let me up. Uh-oh. I'm not making that. Oh, I am. Whoa, that actually worked. Oh my god, whoa. And then land here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. 19 done. Just gotta go find the last few. Well, let's go find them. Man, I love the movement in this game. Ooh, there's one. I'm assuming that's gonna be from there-ish. Okay, 3 stars is right here. Here's an idea. Music volume off. And I'm gonna turn my volume up. Because I heard there's thunder in this game. And you need to follow it for a hat ticket. So I don't think I'm at the right area to get it. Where does it want me to be to get those 3? Because this is not it. I bet I could from here. I could. No, I missed. You know? Gotta get that Legend of Zelda voice actor. Oh my god. Oh my god. It can't be from here, though. It has to be from, like, back here, you know? Yeah, I think I found it. Definitely found it. Got the sweet spot. Alright. I hear the thunder. I just don't know. Oh! Distant storm. That's where the ticket is. Just how to get to it. Oh no, you don't think it wants me to fly from here, do you? They wouldn't be that mean. They would. They would. They would. They want me to fly from a building to that ticket. Just what building? You don't think they... No, they wouldn't want you to fly from that building to a ticket in the void, right? Oh, they hell would. I'd say from, like, that part of the building, though. Because they're not going to make you fly from the tippity top of the largest building in the game to the ticket. They would probably want you to fly from more... Like, more here is probably where they... Yeah, you can see it from here, so I'd say right about there. Definitely. Maybe. Gotta do a little spin, and then a little boost. Gotta do another little spin, and then another little spin, and then fly straight into it. Got it! Got it! Yes! Okay. Whew, that one was annoying. I was not wanting to do that. So, suspicious surveillance. Find this hat ticket behind a cracked window. That one's gonna be hard. There's a lot of windows here. And to find a specific one, that's gonna be terrible. First, though, let's go find the last few star circle things. Well, there's one. And I think I know how to get to it. See? Whoa. I've never done that before. Ooh. Becoming better and better at this game by each time I play. I'd say from right here would be good. We might have to do a little circle, but otherwise, come on. Nope, I missed one, I missed one, I missed one. It's okay. So we just try again. There we go. Perfect. Nope. I don't think I need to do a circle. Uh-oh. It's okay, I can make it, I can make it. Yep, yeah. I can make it, I can make it. Okay. Just fly. Tiny circle. Ooh, not even a circle. Ooh, I think that worked. Okay. 3 more. There's 1 and it's 3 more somewhere. Look up, they're usually in the sky. Oh, I bonked. Okay. There's 3 more. They're somewhere. Just need to find them. They might be here. Look for star rings. They're really hard to miss sometimes, but apparently I've missed 3, so. I don't see any star rings. The worst part is they fade in and out of existence. Like, sometimes you'll be able to see them, and other times they're just gone, you know? So. Yes, I know I can upgrade FridgeBot, but guess what I'm not gonna do? Upgrade FridgeBot. Whoa. Okay, I might. I am near there anyways. Might go up onto the Burj Khalifa to see if I can find the star rings. The tippy top of the tower. No, I won't. Not yet. Yeah, I'm gonna head up to the tip of the tower just because. Uh-oh. Ah, yeah, I knew it. I knew it was coming. Didn't want to have to accept the fact that it was coming. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's working. I'm getting up. Okay. I'm surprised I still can't see what I'm looking for from up here. We're almost at the top. Check around, look around. Any star rings? Any star rings? Not that I can see yet, so. I truly will get to the very top. I'll go even further beyond if I really have to. Let's go! Even further beyond! Found them. Ooh, no wonder I couldn't find them. Holy, they're all the way up here. Did that actually shatter at the very bottom? Yo, wait. Hold on. Okay, you're right. You can hear the metal. That's a long drop. Do you think I can make it from here? I'd say no. I'd be safer going off that. But yeah, I'd be safer for coming off this, you know? I feel so much. Oh my god, that's a drop. I'd do it. Dash, dash, dash. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I did it. Okay. Star rings. I did it. Achievements. Okay. I did it. I'm gonna real quickly search up where to find the suspicious surveillance and the other achievement. And then those will be my last two for this video. I don't want it. Actually, no. I'll do that next video because I'm not sure how long this one's been going on for. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like and consider subscribing. You don't have to. It would I'd greatly appreciate it. And I actually even made my own community. So if you want to, you can subscribe to join that too.